Hello everyone. Myself, lecturer Miss Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the topic nutrition and health, that is vitamins, from health education and community pharmacy. So the topics to be covered from this session are as follows: introduction to nutrition, vitamins, classification of vitamins, function, sources and requirements of vitamins, diseases induced due to deficiency of vitamins. So let's see about nutrition. Nutrition may be defined as the science of food and its relationship to health. It is concerned primarily with the part played by nutrients in body growth, development and maintenance. The word nutrient or food factor is used for specific dietary constituents such as proteins, vitamins and minerals. Dietetics is the practical application of the principles of nutrition. It includes the planning of meals for the well and the sick. Good nutrition means maintaining a nutritional status that enables us to grow well and enjoy good health. Vitamins are a class of organic compounds categorized as essential nutrients. They are required by the body in a very small amount. They fall in the category of micronutrients. Classification of vitamins. Vitamins are divided in two groups: fat soluble vitamins, which are A, D, E, K, and the water soluble vitamins, which vitamins of the B group, and vitamin C. Vitamin A, it covers both a preformed vitamin retinol and a provitamin beta carotene, some of which is converted to retinol in the intestinal mucosa. The international unit IU of vitamin A is equivalent to 0.2 microgram of retinol or 0.55 microgram retinol, 0 to 2 microgram of retinol or 0 to 55 microgram of retinol palmitate. Functions of vitamin A: it is indispensable for normal vision. It contributes to the production of retinal pigments which are needed for vision lights. It is necessary for maintaining the integrity and the normal functioning of the glandular and the epithelial tissues which lines intestinal, respiratory and urinary tracts, as well as the skin and eyes. It supports growth, especially skeletal growth. It is anti-intensive. It may protect against some epithelial cancers such as bronchial cancers. Deficiency of vitamin A. The signs of vitamin A deficiency are predominantly ocular. They are night blindness, conjunctival xerosis, bigots, spots, corneal xerosis and keratomalacia. Then vitamin D. The nutritionally important forms of vitamin D in man are calciferol, vitamin D2 and cholecalciferol, that is vitamin D3. Functions of vitamin D and its metabolites: intestine, that promotes the intestinal absorption of calcium and phosphorus. Bone, it stimulates the normal mineralization, enhances the bone reabsorption, affects the collagen maturation. Kidney, increases the tubular reabsorption of the phosphate. Deficiency of vitamin D. Deficiency of vitamin D leads to rickets, osteomalacia. Vitamin E, it is a name for a group of closely related naturally occurring compounds called tocopherols. Tocopherol is biologically most potent. Foods rich in polyunsaturated fatty acids are also rich in vitamin E. Biological role of vitamin E is not completely understood. There is no clear indication of dietary deficiency. Daily requirement is about 10 mg for an adult. Vitamin K, it occurs in two forms: vitamin K1 and K2. Vitamin K1 is naturally available while K2 is synthesized by the intestinal bacteria. Long-term administration of antibiotic doses for more than a week may cause deficiency of vitamin K due to suspension of intestinal microbial flora. Function of vitamin K. Vitamin K is known to stimulate production and or release of certain coagulation factors. Deficiency of vitamin K, prothrombin content of blood is markedly decreased and clotting time is prolonged due to the deficiency of vitamin K. Requirement of vitamin K. The daily requirement is about 0.03 milligram per kg for the adult. Vitamin B1, thiamine. Thiamine, vitamin B1 is a water-soluble vitamin. It is essential for the utilization of carbohydrates. Thiamine pyrophosphate, TPP, the coenzyme of the carboxylase, plays a part in activating transkylase, an enzyme involved in the direct oxidative pathway for glucose. Deficiency of thiamine. The two principal deficiency diseases are beriberi and Wernicke's encephalopathy. Beriberi may occur in three main forms: peripheral neuritis, cardiac beriberi, infantile beriberi, seen in infants between 2 and 4 months of life. The affected baby is usually breastfed by a thiamine deficient mother who commonly shows signs of peripheral neuropathy. Wernicke's encephalopathy is characterized by ophthalmoplegia, polyneuritis, ataxia, and mental deterioration. Vitamin B2, riboflavin, it has an important role in cellular oxidation. It is a cofactor in a number of enzymes involved with energy metabolism. Deficiency of vitamin B2, its deficiency causes inflammation of oral mucosa. It may further cause impaired neuromotor function. It increases susceptibility to cataract. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine. Pyridoxine, vitamin B6 exists in three forms: pyridoxine, pyridoxal, and pyridoxamine. It plays an important role in the metabolism of amino acids, fats, and carbohydrates. The requirement of adults vary directly with the protein intake. Adults may need 2 mg per day during pregnancy and lactation, 2.5 mg per day. Balanced diet usually contain pyridoxine, therefore deficiency is rare. Vitamin B12 is a complex organometallic compound with a cobalt atom. The preparation which is therapeutically used is cyanocobalamin. Vitamin B12 cooperates with the folate in the synthesis of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. Vitamin B12 has a separate biochemical role unrelated to folate in synthesis of fatty acids in myelin. Vitamin B12 deficiency is associated with the megaloblastic anemia, Pernicious anemia, demyelinating neurological lesions in the spinal cord, and infertility in animal species. Dietary deficiency of vitamin B12 may arise the subjects who are strict vegetarians and eat no animal product. At the present time, there is little evidence that vitamin B12 deficiency anemia represents an important public health problem. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid, is a water-soluble vitamin. It is the most sensitive of all the vitamins to heat mix. The man, monkey, and guinea pig are perhaps the only species known to require vitamin C in their diet. Vitamin C has an important role to play in tissues oxidation. It is needed for the formation of collagen, which accounts for the 25% of the total body protein. Deficiency of vitamin C. Deficiency of vitamin C results in scurvy, the signs of which are swollen and bleeding gums, subcutaneous bruising, or bleeding into the skin or the joints, and delayed the wound healing, anemia, and the weakness. Scurvy, which was once an important deficiency disease, is no longer a disease of the world importance. Then what we learn from this topic: nutrition and health, vitamins. The learning outcomes are: introduction to nutrition, vitamins, classification of vitamins, function, sources and requirements of vitamins, and deficiency diseases induced due to deficiency of vitamins. Thank you.